Hello and welcome to another Cuebric tutorial. In this one, we're going to be looking into how you create your environment materials in Unreal Engine and what considerations you have to keep in mind. Let's go into it. So what we have here is a sea cove stage mesh. And we notice that the texture is already loaded in that directory. We're going to simply drag and drop onto the mesh that creates a material automatically in Unreal Engine. And now we're going to be having to do a couple of things here in order to improve the texture. The first thing is we notice the high specularity, so it's very shiny. We don't want to have that. So the first thing we do is we create a multiplier node and then two value nodes. Each one of these value nodes is going to be connected to a different parameter. First, the RGB output goes into the A multiplier, the other value goes into the B multiplier, and then we connect that to emissive. We can change that value to 0.5, usually works well, but it depends on what type of environment, how bright that is. The other value, we're going to be connecting it to the metallic and the specular parameters in the material. But before I save, I want to be able to show you what that environment looks like as the default texture is applied. Now we're going to be bringing the multiplier value to 1 to give that self-emission. And as we save the material, now we can see a big difference in the environment looking self-lit, emissive, and almost properly lit. Sometimes I don't even need to add any other lights. It depends if you have any meshes. If you add meshes, which in this case I did, you require to have an additional light, point light or spotlight. Now in our sequence, we can appreciate how all the integration is working really well. Very nice shot. Thank you for joining us today on this tutorial. We hope to see you on the next one.